Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about some important concepts that you would need for HSC under the topic of formulae and equations. So one of the most common tested topics could be dosage of medicine. So let's take a look at it. So when you are under the formulas, um, below there are three different formulas where the doctors would use in assigning or calculating the medical dosage for children. So Freud's formula, Young's formula, and Clark's formula, depending on the age group. So each one came up with a different formula. You don't have to memorize this. This formula should be given to you, but understand what each variable stands for. And then you're going to use the substitution technique and sometimes rearranging the formula technique and figure out the solutions. Let's take a look at the examples. Example 1. Use Freud's formula to determine the dosage of an 18-month child given the adult dosage is 50 ml. So Freud's formula says age in months, so this is 18-month-old child, so you're substituting 18 times the adult dosage. So if it was for adult, you would have given it for 50 ml divided by 150, so that's 6 ml. Using Young's formula to determine the age of a child, if the child's dosage is 16 ml and the adult dosage is 40 ml. So what is Young's formula suggesting is to child's dosage is age of the child in years times the adult dosage divided by, again, y plus 12. So when you substitute those numbers, you're actually trying to find the age of the child. So in other words, the dosage amount for the child is already given to you, which is 16, and adult dosage, which is 40 times y, because you're trying to find the age of the child, divided by y plus 12. So you would cross multiply. So 16 times this equals 40, and then you would distribute. I keep talking about the rainbow technique. So 16 times y, 16y, 16 times 12, 192. And then I would flip this, bring to just to make this side come this side, and switch this part to the other side. Then you would group your like terms. So 40y and 16y are like terms, but since 16y is on the other side, you would actually do minus 16y. So 40 minus 16, 24 equals 192, and you divide both sides with 24, you get the answer as 8 years. So for an 8-year-old child, you would give 16 ml. And finally, the Clark's formula to determine the weight of a child if the child's dosage is 20 ml and the adult dosage is 50 ml. So according to your formula, K is the mass, so that's what you're trying to find. And you have the remaining part of the numbers. You have the dosage, you have the adult dosage value. 70 is the constant in that formula. So 20 equals 50K over 70, so you can cancel the zeros. That's for finally, there are multiple ways you can do mental math, or you can substitute the calculator, but this is cross multiply again. 20 times 70, 1400, and then to get to the K, you finally divide with 50, so 28 kilos. Thanks guys, thanks again for watching. This is quite helpful example for your HSC prep. Hope this was helpful. Check out the other videos for your understanding and learning. Thanks guys, have a wonderful day.